Mother and 3 children reported missing. Ex-cop killed, 3 others injured in attack at St. Catherine car wash. Suspected pedal thieves chopped to death in St. Anne. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A high alert has been activated for a mother and her 3 children of Keith District, St. Anne, who have been missing since Thursday, June 29. They are 1-year-old Garcia Thompson, who is of a dark complexion, 6-year-old Cherish Taylor, who is of a dark complexion, slim built, and about 121 centimeters or 4 feet tall, and 12-year-old Jamaica Garden, who is of a dark complexion, slim built, and about 153 centimeters or 5 feet 3 inches tall with short processed hair. Their mother, 30-year-old Gina Richards, is of dark complexion, medium build, about 162 centimeters or 5 feet 4 inches tall with braided hair. Reports from the Duhaney Park Police are that Richards and her children were slated to visit a relative in Kingston on June 29. She was last spoken to via telephone about 9 a.m. and has not been seen since. The police urges anyone with information as it relates to the whereabouts of Garcia Thompson, Cherish Taylor, Jamaica Garden, and their mother, Gina Richards, to contact Duhaney Park Police at 876-933-4280, Police Emergency 119, or the nearest police station. An ex-policeman was shot dead and 3 other persons were injured during an attack by gunmen in Caymanas Gardens, St. Catherine late Monday. The deceased has been identified as Donovan McLean, a 33-year-old businessman and the ex-member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Reports are that McLean and a group of people were at a car wash when a Toyota Axio motor car drove up and stopped. Then 3 men armed with handguns alighted and opened gunfire at them. The shooters then escaped in the motor vehicle. The police was summoned, and upon their arrival, the wounded McLean and 3 other injured men were found. They were taken to the hospital, where McLean was pronounced dead and the other 3 admitted. 2 suspected pedal thieves were chopped to death by an angry mob in the rural community of Gibraltar in St. Anne. Those killed are 40-year-old taxi operator Onion Robinson and 30-year-old laborer Demar Rose, both of Trelawney addresses. It is reported that about 9:34 a.m., alert residents observed the duo in a Toyota Voxim motor vehicle with several carcasses of cattle and goats. The main road in the community was blocked, and their accomplices in another vehicle, who were said to have been armed with guns, managed to escape. The vehicle driven by Robinson reportedly developed a mechanical problem and stalled. Both men exit the vehicle and reportedly tried to escape on foot, but were stopped in their track by the mob, which chopped them. They were later pronounced dead at the Alexandra Community Hospital. The police are conducting an investigation into the matter.